Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to put and take money off Metatrader 4. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 4 app, and once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface on the screen. Here, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and you will be on this page. And now you will be able to see two options. Just simply select second one, which is login to an existing account. And now you need to search for your broker account. Let's say I have account on capital.com and I have balance on it, so let's search for it. Now you simply need to tap on second option, which is capital.com real. And now it will ask you for your login ID and your password. So once you complete your credentials, you simply need to click on sign in, which is a top right corner. And you will be able to put and take money off Metatrader for successfully. So basically, this is how you can put and take money off Metatrader 4. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.